Welcome to Winning Products.
Today, the one guys only for the called cat windmill toy, funny massage with table cat toys with cat nip lead ball, teeth cleaning pet products for dropshipping. This is a winning product because it serves the cat niche, as you can see. It serves the cat niche. It's sold online and it solves a problem. What problem does it solve? It entertains your cat if you have one. It entertains your cat and keeps your cat busy, playing, and happy. So it serves it serves a need and an interest, which is entertaining your cat and keeping your cat busy and happy. Also, it has a wow factor. It currently have 4.7 star reviews on Let's Play, 206 reviews, and 249 orders. The list on Let's is called Leroy Official Store. It has been on AliExpress since April 2019, and with the business information, you can contact the supplier via this link or via that WeChat to negotiate on the price, minimum order quantity, uh, among others. It comes to different color variation, as you can see, blue, green, yellow, and pink. It comes to different size variation with box and without box. It comes with free shipping from China to United States via AliExpress standard shipping. It's meant deliveries on May 10. The marketing strategy for the card that we made toy, yeah, or seen below. One USA and UK Instagram and cart influencers we should suggest because it will be easier to sell such a product fast if able to use USA and UK Instagram cart influencers with a good engagement rate 3% and above. And significant number of followers size between 5,000 to 50,000. The reason why I say you should use between 5,000 and 50,000 because they'll be less saturated and they have a warm audience and you won't pay much if you have been using if and you won't pay much if it is a one-time payment you're going to use to negotiate with your with the cart influencers but you could pay nothing if you are going on a commission basis. Also, you should use YouTube search ads, you should use YouTube and video ads, and you should use US and UK TikTok cart influencers. The proposed trading results for cat windmill toy. The cost price on is 4.7 USD. The total shipping cost, which is free, is $1. The gross profit margin, which you have, is 15.22 USD. If you decide to sell at a selling price of 19.99 USD.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.
If you are interested in other winning products topics like how to write a product description, how much does dropshipping business cost, how to name your dropshipping store, among other topics, please click any of the pop-up videos currently showing on your screen. Thank you.